How to add admin on Facebook page. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys, and it's pretty quick and easy step-by-step tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. It's actually very easy to do. All I basically want to do is, first of all, go to the menu in the bottom right corner, and then you actually want to make sure to go to your page. So this actually changed a little bit for me, I just noticed, but basically over here you have your pages and you want to select the page where you want to add an admin to. So I'll just select page test right over here, and then you have to switch to like your page account, sort of like. It's kind of weird how it works nowadays. And you want to go back to the menu again, and then at the top right corner you should see this gear icon, which is the settings right over there. And then at the top you can see page settings. Now once you are here, you want to scroll a little bit down until you see page access right over there. This is where you want to click on, so click on there. And then here it says people with Facebook access. Now currently it is only set to me because, you know, I am the only owner of this page. Now at the top right corner you can also see add new, and that is where you can actually add admins. So I'm going to click on there, and it says Facebook access means any action you take as this page, including when you check into a location, may be visible to anyone who manages it. Anyone else with Facebook access will share the page experience, including news, feed, and notifications for this page. So keep that in mind. Once you are still happy with that, you want to click on next, and here you actually want to search for the person's Facebook name that you want to add as an admin. So for the sake of this tutorial, since I don't really have anybody on this account, this is just a test account for these tutorials, I'll just add Mark Zuckerberg over here. So I'll just click on it, and I don't even know if this is his actual account, but just for the sake of this tutorial, it will tell you what that person will get access to. So content, messages, community activity, ads, and insights. And then you can give access to that. And here it also says allow this person to also have full control. So that means that instead of like an actual admin, that person becomes like an actual owner like you. So it can do everything, because what it normally can only do is these 5 options. So it can, I don't really think it can change, for example, the page's name. That's only for the owner. But if you give it full access, then I believe that person can do as much as you can, basically. So keep that in mind, and then click on give access. Here you have to enter your password in order to confirm. And then over here you can see that we have now invited that person. So it says invite expires in 30 days. So if someone doesn't accept it in 30 days, it will automatically be expired. You can also click on the 3 dots and here cancel the invite if you would like to, or click on view access to see what that person actually has access to. So this is how to add admin on Facebook page. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.